Oh, look, this guy here, like he's been out with a knee and he was supposed to come back next week. I just massive appreciation that he turned up today and played for us in such a big game. But for this group, I just said to him on the way, this is the toughest place to win in Super Rugby. I don't care where else you go, this is the hardest. And for the week that we've had, I think the credit to the boys is just a huge effort and real stoked for them as a group. We're getting experience now in terms of Super Rugby caps, and hopefully that momentum of understanding now winning on the road can go a long way.
There's a lot of pressure to break down, especially in that first half. Like, was that the biggest turning point?
Yeah, they knew that that was one of our weaknesses, and credit to Brumbies, they attacked that, and but hats off to the boys as well for identifying where the threat is coming from and dealing with it on the field.
To beat them twice in one season, what does that mean to you?
We talked about it the whole of this week as boys. Like, we want to create history. We don't want to just come and play and then wait for the end of the season. But we want to create history. And then there was a big occasion. One of our boys, Samu, playing his 50th. And the ticker that we saw from the group, willing to fight hard for each other, is second to none.
Does it feel like it was sort of must-win element to this? Like, this win allows you guys to sort of keep your arms reach to the top?
Yeah, look, I've said to the group when we've had 7 games to go that we need to probably win 5 of them to have an opportunity, and we're 2 for 2. So, the pressure's rugby, like there's always pressure on every sport. Like you go back next door, I'm sure the Brumbies are feeling the pressure. This competition is brutal. It's the best it's been, I think, this year or ever in terms of what teams can do, upsets, the log, where everyone's at. So I think our boys are pretty good. It wasn't a must-win chat. It was just about for Samu, I think, was number 1. Yeah. For Temo coming back, number 2, and then. What we wanted from the our best performance has been against the Brumbies in Bar, and we just wanted to make sure that we could back that up and around our fast start, and I thought we did that really well at putting probably a little bit of doubt in the Brumbies. So they're here again, so they did that.
You mentioned Samu's 50th. There's a few guys now getting around that milestone. Experience of becoming a factor now for you guys, and can help on the road as well.
And it's important. Like, we've got Temo and Viremi, guys that played overseas, massive experience. Isaac with that, plus guys that have foundation members that are now playing 50. We all know and love what Fiji does in rugby. It's everyone's second favourite team. But you see today that it's becoming, the battle of breakdown, set piece. I thought the set piece was really good today. Defence, great effort from the boys defensively. And so that comes from caps and belief of being in the competition.
A win like this can help you start shedding that tag about the road record.
The boys are just happy that the drought has finally been broken. And like I highlighted before, what a game for us to make history. Someone playing his 50th. He's the 3rd person in the whole club to play his 50th. And to play alongside him. It's a huge privilege and an honour, and I'm just happy that the boys, took it into heart and played their guts up for an occasion like that.
Good.
That's it.